Find the roots for the following polynomial. They give you a polynomial that has 4 terms and they ask you to find the roots. Now remember, to find the roots is the same thing as finding the x-intercepts. So you're going to let y equal to 0 and you're going to factor this out. We have 4 terms, so we're going to graph it by grouping. I'm going to group the first 2 and the second 2. What can I factor out of the first 2? I can factor out an x squared, and what's left behind will be 4x, and x squared multiplied by what gives me 7x squared will be plus 7. What can I factor out of the second 2? I can factor a 5, but since this is negative, you want to factor a negative 5. And what's left behind will be 4x and positive 7. This 2 should be always the same if you can factor by grouping. So now I'm going to group them. I'm going to group my x squared minus 5. And my 4x plus 7 gets written only once. And since this is equal to 0, I cannot factor the x squared minus 5. I'm just going to use my 0 product property. X squared minus 5 equal to 0, and 4x plus 7 equal to 0. Move the 7 to the right, we can say negative 7 divided by 4. So I know it's now a or b. Move the 5 to the right, we can say positive 5. Take the square root on both sides. So we have x equal to square root of 5, cannot be simplified. And don't forget your plus or minus. Now notice the difference between letter C and D. D has an I. Your I is only whenever you have a negative inside the square root. In this case, that's not it. Your answer is letter C.